Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to FTT. Yesterday FTT was trading at $5. We talked about FTT coming to $1.12. We're sitting at $2.7 at the moment. Now I actually told some of my Signal members that hey, I wanted to buy FTT down near $1.19 or $1.2, but I actually removed the buying bid for this coin. The reason being is number one, I don't want to actually bottom fish. Now, even this crash is a good opportunity, but I have my doubts, or maybe that fear is striking at the moment because it seems I don't want this coin to actually pull a Luna Classic. Okay, I don't want it to pull a Luna Classic. The situation that is going on with I know further good generally speaking. And the only problem I have is with FTT. Any other coin I'm going to buy low. For example, I'm just going to give you one example like ICP or Solana. But with FTT, I don't know why I'm getting that vibe of a Luna Classic rug pull. I don't know why. For some reason, I feel like we could have a rug pull for FTT as well. Okay, so you got to be careful. Don't bottom fish just yet. It's not a good idea to bottom fish. The technical targets, technically speaking, is $1.2 or $1.18 if you want to put that way, because I talked about it yesterday. You came down, you made a bear flag, you popped out of the bear flag, you're just gonna go sideways like this and then continue lower until you don't come down to that technical target. Okay, now the time when I'm gonna buy FTT would be a good idea when Bitcoin hits $8,000 and Bitcoin cools off a little bit. So if Bitcoin goes to $8,000 or $9,000 and try to move sideways from there and bottom out, that's when I'm going to look what happened to FTT. And if Bitcoin cools down, FTT cools down at the moment, then we're going to see, are we getting the bottom for FTT or are we getting the rug pull for FTT? Whatever that situation is, we're going to get an answer. I don't know if it makes any sense to you, but if I had to put it in simple ways that, Sam, the owner of FTX, there's a lot of issues going on with him. Okay, there's a lot of issues going on with him. El Salvador, El Salvador have crypto, they have Bitcoin, and unfortunately their Bitcoin was in FTX exchange. Okay, so literally they got rug pulled almost as well. It's like they're losing their money because of that exchange as well. So fundamentally, the news that is coming in, I don't know if this one, based on the news, could qualify to do a rug pull as well. Like, for example, go to 0.000001, something like that. So be careful. I don't know. I mean, I could be totally wrong on this one, but I've seen news like this before, and they actually do rug pulls. Even Luna Classic did the same thing. No one believed Luna Classic will do that, even though it was a solid project. So that's pretty much it for this FTX update. Technically speaking, we're still looking to go down at $1.2. Just be careful. Do not catch a falling knife. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.